FAQs about Avena sativa. Avena sativa is a topic of interest for many people due to its various uses and potential health benefits. Having explored this fascinating plant, I've compiled answers to some of the most frequently asked questions about Avena sativa. Here's everything you need to know. What is Avena sativa? Avena sativa, commonly known as oats, is a type of cereal grain that is widely cultivated for its seeds. These seeds are used in various forms, including whole oats, oat flakes, and oatmeal. It's recognized for its nutritional value and versatility in cooking and baking. Is Avena sativa gluten-free? One of the key advantages of Avena sativa is that it is naturally gluten-free. However, cross-contamination with gluten-containing grains can occur during processing. If you have celiac disease or a severe gluten sensitivity, it's important to choose oats that are certified gluten-free. Does Avena sativa increase testosterone? There is some evidence suggesting that Avena sativa may have a mild impact on testosterone levels. Some studies indicate that it might help increase testosterone, but the results are not conclusive. If you're considering Avena sativa for this purpose, consulting with a healthcare provider is a good idea. Does Avena sativa show up on a drug test? Generally, Avena sativa does not show up on a drug test. It's a natural grain and doesn't contain substances that are typically tested for in standard drug screenings. However, it's always a good practice to check with your employer or testing facility if you have any concerns. Is Avena sativa good for anxiety? Avena sativa has been traditionally used to help manage anxiety. It contains compounds that may have calming effects on the nervous system. While not a substitute for professional treatment, incorporating Avena sativa into your diet could support overall mental well-being. Is Avena sativa good for sleep? There's some evidence to suggest that Avena sativa might aid in improving sleep quality. It has been used in herbal remedies to promote relaxation and better sleep patterns. Including Avena sativa in your evening routine might help if you struggle with sleep issues. Is Avena sativa the same as oatmeal? Yes, Avena sativa and oatmeal are closely related. Oatmeal is made from the seeds of Avena sativa. When you eat oatmeal, you're consuming processed Avena sativa in its various forms, whether as rolled oats, steel-cut oats, or instant oats. What are the benefits of Avena sativa? Avena sativa offers several benefits. Nutritional value. It's rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Heart health. Regular consumption can help lower cholesterol levels. Blood sugar control. It helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Digestive health. High in soluble fiber, aiding digestion and bowel movements. Where to buy Avena sativa? You can find Avena sativa at most health food stores, supermarkets, and online retailers. Look for it in its various forms such as whole oats, oat flour, or as part of dietary supplements. Does Avena sativa make you sleepy? Avena sativa may promote relaxation, which can lead to feeling sleepy. If you're using it to aid sleep, it's best taken in moderation and as part of a broader sleep-supportive routine. Does Avena sativa raise blood pressure? Generally, Avena sativa does not raise blood pressure. In fact, its high fiber content may help lower blood pressure. It's always best to monitor how any new food affects your body, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. Can you smoke Avena sativa? Smoking Avena sativa is not recommended. The plant is not intended for smoking, and doing so might not provide any benefits and could potentially be harmful. How to grow Avena sativa? Growing Avena sativa is relatively straightforward. It prefers cool, moist climates and well-drained soil. Plant seeds in early spring or late summer. Ensure the plants receive ample sunlight and water them regularly. Harvest when the seeds are fully matured. Avena sativa versus Avena fatua. Avena fatua, or wild oats, is a different species from Avena sativa. Wild oats are considered a weed and are less desirable for consumption. Avena sativa is cultivated for its nutritional benefits and is more commonly used in food products. Avena sativa versus oat seed. Oat seeds and Avena sativa are essentially the same. Oat seeds are the seeds of the Avena sativa plant, used for consumption or planting. Avena sativa versus stinging nettle libido. Stinging nettle and Avena sativa serve different purposes. Stinging nettle is often used to support libido, while Avena sativa is known for its general health benefits and calming effects. Avena sativa versus wheat. Avena sativa and wheat are different grains. While wheat contains gluten, Avena sativa is gluten-free. This makes Avena sativa a suitable option for those with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. Additional questions. What to plant with Avena sativa? Avena sativa can be grown alongside other cool season crops like peas, beans, and certain herbs. They generally benefit from companion planting, which can improve growth and yield. Can you grow Avena sativa indoors? Growing Avena sativa indoors is possible, though it requires adequate light and space. A sunny window or grow lights can help simulate outdoor conditions. Is Avena sativa toxic? No, Avena sativa is not toxic. It is safe for most people to consume and use. However, if you have specific allergies or conditions, it's best to consult with a healthcare provider. Common problems with Avena sativa. Common issues include pests like aphids and fungal diseases. Proper care, including good soil management and crop rotation, can help mitigate these problems. Exploring Avena sativa reveals its versatility and numerous benefits. Whether you're interested in its nutritional value or its potential health benefits, understanding this grain can help you make the most of it in your diet and lifestyle.